Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you a possible solution for the Opera web browser lagging issue. So if you have encountered that your Opera web browser has been lagging recently, don't worry because the following trick might solve the issue. So make sure you drop a like, follow along, and now let us get started. So what you want to do is open the Opera web browser, of course, and here at the top in the URL/address bar, type in the following command: opera://flags/ press enter to access the experimental mode or feature in Opera. And what you want to do after that is use the search bar here and type in the search bar angle, and after that take a look at that feature below, choose Angle Graphics Backend. So what you want to do to fix the issue at hand is click on that arrow down icon here to access the following drop down menu and select OpenGL from that drop down menu. After that make sure that you relaunch Opera so that these changes may be applied here at the bottom right corner, and see if the issue has been solved or not. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.